Hi, how to batch print Dropbox files. This is available in version 2021 or greater of Batch and Print Pro, Enterprise and Premium Law Edition. Now to do this, if you go into Help, HTML Help, there's a walkthrough guide in cloud printing from Dropbox that gives you all the steps there. But what you can do, you can File menu, Add shared cloud files to list, Dropbox files. Click this link here. That opens a Dropbox connected API. Click the default option. In this case, I'm going to do full Dropbox access test AA1. Create app. You need to do this to give the software access to your Dropbox files. Now, first of all, you need to go to permissions. This is really important. Click Files, Metadata Read, Files, Content Read as well. So, Metadata Read is so it can actually find the files, and Files, Content Read so it can actually download the files and print them out. So, click Submit. Go back to Settings. Now, scroll down here. Now this is the bit that you need to do, is generate access token. Now the access token can last for a certain number of hours or infinite amount of time. So if it's on short lived, it will only last 4 hours. Now if you change that to no expiration, it will always work no matter what time it is. If you're printing regularly files from Dropbox and you need the no expiration setting. Now I'm going to click generate. Now double click on that to highlight it, right mouse copy, go into the software and paste that ID there, that's a token. You can set the shared directory, which directory you want to navigate to. You can do /apps, for example, if it's in that folder, but in this case I'm going to do all folders. I'm going to download subfolders, so it's all files within subfolders. And I'm just going to print PDFs. So now I can just click Add. So it connects to Dropbox and it lists the files. As you can see there, it's added those two files there. Now you will get an email confirmation saying you've had an app connect to your Dropbox as well, so you know it's you. Now this means download from Dropbox that file from that path. Scroll across, these add-on parameters here are the encrypted access token. So you can save this list by going to File, save batch file as, and then load it in a later date if you wanted to, which you can do that. At this stage it hasn't actually downloaded the files yet. It does that at print time. So what it does, when you click print, it downloads the file to a temporary file and then prints it out as normal. Then it deletes the temporary file that it's created. And that's it. That's how you print files from Dropbox. Now you can also do this in directory mode setup. It's exactly the same. Scroll all the way down, Cloud Shares, Dropbox. So you've got Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive not yet available, but might be in the future. So in this case, you just want to activate cloud monitoring. Right mouse, paste the ID in here. You can check the log to make sure you don't re-download the same file over and over again and print it. You can test connection in here as well to make sure it's connected okay. Set the directory in subfolders if you want to do. So save and exit, same as normal. Add to monitor list. This is normal setup. So it's going to download the files to CPath in this case. If you scroll across, you can see the settings there, and that will monitor and download the files when they appear in Dropbox. Now, if you go into logs and reports, you can also see what has been downloaded from the monitor when you're cloud printing as well, for Dropbox and Google Drive as well. So that's it. Give it a try.